Alright guys, today on the Copper Catcher we're going to tear into these. They've got a little circuit board in them. They were the keypads for the ELDs. I'm just going to bust them apart real fast and get the boards out of them. I've got a boatload of them over here to get through. We'll get that done. I'll show you me doing a few of them, and then we'll go into time lapse for a minute, and then whatever we get into after that. I'm not gonna video all this because it's boring and repetitive, so I'm just gonna knock them out. Up here. Some of them still have the case on them. We'll just zip through a whole bunch of these real quick. Ouch. But here's what's inside of them. There ain't much in there. That's what's inside of them. And it's five little screws to get it out. And that's it. Little wire, little board, but it is under this. It's a gold board, so I guess it's worth taking out. It's got one little IC chip on it. I don't know if these are silver or not. These little tabs that are on there, they probably are silver coated. I'm not sure. So I'll probably just keep these in another little batch of something, and then go from there. But that's all it is. So let me get you guys on time lapse, and we'll get them tore apart. guys, that's going to be the end of that one. It's going to be a little short video. I'm going to throw up real quick. I finished up all the ELD stuff. I'm going to send them in the way they are. We got the batteries, a bunch of boards there, cast, more boards, 3 different buckets there of stuff. So, then we got this cast over here that came with it, and we got, we ended up with 200 pounds, right at about 200 pounds. We ended up with like 200 pounds of insulated wire that I'm just going to take in the way it is. I think that's what it was. But if you like what you see, share it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, enjoy our wild America.